I have been waiting for this for as long as I can remember. The iconic theme song, the whip, the hat. I can finally become the hero I've always wanted to be. This is Indiana Jones and the Great Circle Collectors Edition. I know there have been other Indiana Jones games before, but for me, this is everything that I've ever wanted from an Indiana Jones game. Indiana Jones and the Great Circle is a first-person action adventure from Machine Games and Todd Howard. They have leveraged their expertise in the action genre to deliver a faithful homage to a popular pop culture icon. And now I'm lucky enough to get early access to unbox this. Now, instantly, before you even open this box, you can tell it's worth every penny. I mean, how many collector's editions do you see that are this size? Now, I'm not going to beat around the bush. Let's just unbox this thing. So start off with, there is a sleeve on the outside that we are going to take off. I'm then just going to pop these open just here. And I'm going to break the seal. I'm going to fold this open. And just in the top, right there, I'm going to show you this. We have the Indiana Jones Steelbook. And we have the plane just here as well. I mean, that is a good looking Steelbook. Oh, look, the plane is magnetic. It's magnetic. So there we have this stunning gold Steelbook. And it just looks a little bit relict. Oh, so cool. And then if we open it up, we've got some instructions, how to activate your game and so on. And in there, we have the Allmaker Relic. Oh, and on the back of that is my game code. But that is really quite weighty. That is really cool looking. And you could literally just stand that up on a display and it just look incredible. And literally on the back, I'm going to cover the code. It literally says, property of Marshall College, Allmaker, Great Circle Collection. And then my game code is below it. It is so cool looking. I'm going to pop that just back in the box. Oh, that is a really, really cool Steelbook. Continuing with opening this huge edition, I'm going to just slide this out. And that says back. So I'm going to flip this over. And hopefully, yes, that says front. I'm going to pull that out of the way. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. So it's got a wrapper around it. So I'm going to pop it out because this has hidden storage inside it. Oh wow, that is weighty. I'm going to pop that to the side just here. Oh my. Oh my, what an addition. I mean, could you imagine this on your mantelpiece on the side? So hopefully now we should be a... Spoiler alert! In the next chapter, I'm going to reveal how to open the secret compartment of the globe. If this is something you would like to save for your own experience, please use the chapters in the description to skip this section. There may also be slight hints towards how this opens throughout the rest of the video. Grab this aeroplane, and I'm going to turn the globe. And we should be able to get this to open by magnetizing the aeroplane to it to unlock it. So then in here we have a secret storage compartment. So we have the journal. Oh, this is so cool. And you have like a little strap to strap it down as well. And then you've got a secret storage compartment just in here. And this still spins freely. But you've got little like magnetic locks in here. So take it off and you could just close that down and it locks out of the way. Gonna put that back on. Oh, and there you have, open it. It's just got a really nice feel to it. Now, I don't want to open that all the way because I want to keep it sort of as nice as possible. You've got a little bookmark in there. This is really cool for either taking notes or for drawing images in. I'm probably going to keep it as a collector's thing, but it says 2024 Lucasfilm on the back. The Indiana Jones franchise has been around for a long time, and it's been around as long as I've been alive. And I know many people that enjoy the iconic character and the movies. So I think this collector's edition is going to appeal to more than just people that want to play the game. I think this is going to appeal to fans everywhere. With the actual game itself, you play as the brilliant archaeologist renowned for his keen intelligence and cunning resourcefulness and trademark humour. You will travel the world in a race against enemy forces to discover the secrets of one of the greatest mysteries of all time, featuring the likeness of Harrison Ford and the faithful voice and motion capture performance of Troy Baker. Uncover one of history's greatest mysteries in a globe-trotting adventure set between the events of Raiders of the Lost Ark and The Last Crusade. As Indy, your search for the truth leads you to a series of ancient sites. There are 3 editions of Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. You have the Standard Edition, which includes the base game. You also have the Premium Edition, which includes the base game. You get up to 3 days early access, a story DLC, the Temple of Doom outfit, and a digital art book. Then there is this awesome collector's edition, which has everything I've shown you in this unboxing video. This would be a great purchase for the festive period, not just for those gamers, but for those die-hard fans. This is a must-have. And I know many people that have pre-ordered this already, and if someone brought me this as a present, I would be over the moon. I suggest you head down to your local stores and grab yourself one of these while they're still available. Thanks for watching. I'm off to become Indiana Jones, and I will see you soon for another video.